what that is. He's so pretty, though. It looks like a crow, but, like, pretty. Not black. He's on the bird feeder still.
Yeah, I'm just trying to... It's having trouble focusing because of the screen.
Our apartment is not.
Oh, it's gone. Fuck.
It's alright, I got video of him. Oh, no, he's back. Oh, wait, that's a different red bird.
No, yeah, it's not the same bird.
He's pretty, too, though.
Yeah, well, it's not the same time.
What is it, a cardinal?
I don't know. It looks too dark to be a cardinal.
Maybe it's a female. No, wait, the females are brown, I think. So we decided to look up the name of this magnificent bird.
Yeah, so it's a black bird with red wings. So black bird, red wings. Alright, I got the name of it. You ready?
Sure.
So red-winged blackbird.
What is it really?
It's red-winged blackbird.
What?
That's what it's called. Red-winged blackbird.
Well, the mystery is solved.
I wonder what they call that red-winged blackbird. Oh, red-winged blackbird. Okay.
I said crow, but crows are bigger.
Yep, red-winged blackbird. There it is right there. If you want a clear picture.
How pretty.
Leonardo DiCaprio thinks the same.
What a terrible name.